How to fix Snapchat login error. So if you're facing a problem with Snapchat login, then first of all open up your Snapchat application, and then if you go to the login page and if you're facing a problem with login on Snapchat, then it means that either you have entered your password wrongly. So if your password is incorrect, then you can simply go for forgot your password, and after that you will receive a 4-digit code to your mobile number or your Gmail account, and after that you have to enter that 4-digit code here and you have to reset your password. So that's a way to fix that problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you have to open up your phone settings, and then you can go for apps and notifications, and here tap on see all apps, and if you scroll down here you will find Snapchat. And after opening your Snapchat, here you will have a bunch of options. Go for storage and cache, and then here you will have two options, which is clear storage and clear cache. You can simply tap on clear cache and you have to clear all of the cache that is on Snapchat. If this still doesn't fix your problem, then you have to open up your Play Store, and under your Play Store you will have a search bar, and on the search bar search for Snapchat. And if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you have to simply tap on update and you have to update your Snapchat. The last way is to check your internet connection. So if you have a unstable internet connection, then you might find this kind of problem. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.